Today we're going to make a project called Nature Printing! Here are the things that we need: Oslo paper, paintbrush, poster paint, and different types of fresh pick leaves. This leaf, see this? And then if you pick a leaf, and can you see this vein? You can spread colors, open the cap, then do spreading. And let's get started. So I needed orange. No, red first. Cap. Oh wow, this is so much fun. You can try to do this, especially you kids. Look how beautiful it is. Try this, kids. It's so much fun. Even if your hands are going to be messy, you can clean them. See ya!